Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Granny Says Wicker Baskets for storage, a perfect blend of style and functionality. Crafted from odorless plastic wicker, these baskets mimic the look of natural materials, offering a sophisticated touch to any room. Available in a convenient 2-pack, each basket measures 13 by 8 1/4 by 7 inches, with a slight variation due to their handmade nature. Built on a sturdy metal frame, these baskets are not only durable but also versatile enough for both indoor and outdoor use. The moisture-proof material ensures easy cleaning, making them ideal for organizing your kitchen, bathroom, or entryway with ease. Featuring 2 convenient handles, these baskets are designed for easy transport, making them perfect for any storage need. With their unique hand-knitted textures, these gray baskets not only serve as practical organizers but also add a touch of elegance to your home decor. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.